bridge. So it's a really beautiful bridge. And this one is kind of a park. We'll just kind of turn the camera around a little bit. And you can see lots of people have their bikes out. And you can follow this all the way down.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe. And hit the like button. Okay, so we got kind of a pier right here. And this pier is right underneath this bridge. So it's a really beautiful bridge. And this one is kind of a park. We'll just kind of turn the camera around a little bit. And you can see lots of people have their bikes out. And you can follow this all the way down to that direction. And I'll just zoom in a little bit. So yep, so, and I don't know if you can see way down there, but there's actually a kind of a narrow beach. And then if you saw some of my other films, I was filming some of these, we're putting land into the ocean right there. And there's cranes that are actively busy. See both of them right there in the distance. And there's a couple of the bridges. I'll just kind of zoom in on these bridges a little bit. There's two of them. So there's one there and there's one there. It kind of goes out of focus a little bit when I get near it. But you can at least see them. Okay. So yeah, this is, I think sometimes I'll see people fishing on this pier right here. And there's another pier right over on that side, so there's two of them. Yeah, this bridge has always been kind of cool anyway, so yep, pretty cool little spot. And they're also going to be building a train right here too, so I think that these little holes right there, I'll zoom in a little bit, that's going to go into where a train is going to be going through. Okay, so yeah, there's going to be a train that's going to connect. There's a train that's being already built, and I don't have a view of it, but it's basically on the other side of this bridge. And then so this train is going to go maybe either in the middle or up on the top. But there's a busy road up on the top already, so that's why I think it's in the middle. And it'll connect this monorail system in with the Macau side. Kind of zoom in a little bit. So okay. Macau Tower there, bridges, and I guess we'll just end this one film zooming in on this a little bit. It's okay, I don't know what this is called, the park under the bridge, I guess, under the tunnel.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovinha.